Chakrabarti, and here I'm going to teach you one of the most important chapters in the history of IIT and JEE, that is light mechanics. And here's light mechanics, and light mechanics is a very hard chapter which is faced by all kinds of students in IIT JEE. So today it's just a beginning. I'm going to teach you about a very simple topic, that is how was the this formula actually originated, how was it even made. So some IRTJians have doubt in this thing, that how was this formula even originated. So I'm going to show you how this 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 1 by f was correctly originated. So here's how, and we're going to take this as an example, as a diagram. This is a diagram to use, and we're going to take this as an example. So this is a diagram, you can see it very carefully, that in the first we can say that there's this what we know as the point A, the point of reflection. This is the normal. See, the normal is the point, the normal is this point, and it is always 90 degrees, and in a spherical mirror this is the normal. The center of curvature is this, and this center of curvature extends to this to form the normal for any kind of rays that come in a spherical mirror. So let's take this angle as alpha, this angle as beta, and this angle as gamma, and okay, let us take this angle as theta. That's okay. So now according to this we can say that in triangle, now in this triangle we know that in triangle OAC, not about this now. No, we are just talking about OAC now. The triangle OAC. So in triangle OAC we can say angle beta is equal to alpha plus theta. Now what's the reason for this? Exterior angle, and then we know that this is the exterior angle property. So in this you can see how this exterior angle, these are the two interior opposite angles. We know angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, the second law of reflection. And in triangle uh, ACF, it is angle gamma is equal to beta plus theta. So according to this he can say that angle beta or 2 theta is this, and in triangle AOF we can say that gamma is equal to alpha plus 2 theta. So now we can see that if we add these two equations, or eliminate the theta in this, eliminating the theta means what? Using quadratic equation thing. So simultaneous equations must come in property. We can use this as a first equation and this as a second equation. So by eliminating theta, how to eliminate theta now, you would ask. So it would be that after eliminating, so it will be somewhat looking like this: 2 beta plus alpha plus gamma. This will be the result after eliminating these two theta. You know how to eliminate, right? This is 11th class, so I won't be repeating this. Okay, so it would happen like this. This will be the elimination. So by this thing we can easily say that these angles, what you're seeing, alpha, beta, gamma or theta, any of these angles is very small. That is, you might ask how small. So this angle alpha, beta, gamma and theta are less than 10 degrees. Yeah, I'm serious, they are less than 10 degrees. So if they're less than 10 degrees, now we would ask, then how are we even calculating that? Why are we considering this? So we can easily say that the sine of the angle, the sine of the, basically we can say the sine of the angle is alpha. We can say, we can estimate that it is equal to AP by PO. Yeah, AP by PO. AP by PO. We can say this spear thingy that is curved. We can say that that this is very plain kind of something. It is not curved. It is very less curved. So you can consider this as a plane. This is curved, so this is plane. So we can consider this. These are we can estimate that, and then we can say beta is equal to AP by PC. AP by PC, and we can say gamma is equal to AP by PI. And now because we know AP by PI, see AP by PI. I over here, I would say, basically in our notation we used to say I, but this is F. Okay, remember this is pin for the focus, point of focus. So according to this thing, this is the basic notation what we have made. This is the basic derivation of the basic thingy, and this one is also estimation. This is not exactly, and this we can say exactly because this is the center of curvature, so there's no doubt this would be exact. Okay, because it is always the resistance is always equal. This is somehow you have to always say it's equal. There's no other notation for this. So according to this, if we put this into this, put in 3, make this 3, equation 3, make this 3, put in this thing into this. How would this look like? Look, P to AP by PC is equals to alpha AP by PO plus gamma AP by PF. So what this is what we have got now at this point. Sorry, that's a little crookedness. I'm very sorry about that. And this is what we have got. I guess you are able to understand how we get this. This very important thing. Okay, you have to understand. According to the sign convention, this side is always negative. This side is always, this side is always positive. This side is always positive, and this side is always negative. This is the notation what we know, right? Sign convention of the angles. So I'm sorry about the camera details. And then we can easily say, according to this, we can. So now we can say that AP we can take common out of this, and AP we can take common out of this. We can cut off, eliminate these. Don't let them be able to see in this video ever again. Now this is what we have got. You see, what is PC, what is PO, what is PF? That's the question what is asked by most of my students. They say that this is very confusing to derivate now. So at this point of time, you actually got the answer. The answer is this itself. You see this very carefully. We know that 1 by u plus 1 by v, this, what we know. Just try to recognize this. 1 by u, 1 by v, 1 by f, but this is 2 by pc. Then how 1 by f is coming? Now the most basic kind of doubts that most of my students ask, it's 1 by f, or okay, let us take it as f is equal to r by 2. Now what is r by 2? R is the radius of curvature, this whole length by 2. What we already know, always drawing a diagram we make it half. See this very carefully. We take this as half of this whole length, so then we get this as the answer. we know half of this is the length, so we can say that r by 2 or 2 by r is equal to 1 by f. We've just got an answer right now. So 1 by f is equal to PO. What is PO? PO is the distance of the object from the pole. So we can denote object distance as 1 by u, and we know that the PF, or when it's meeting the focus, and you can see this ray which is coming through the principal focus, it is going undeviated because it's touching the pole, right? And it's even going through the center of curvature, so it's obviously going to return back. So the image is forming here. Image o dash is the image. Image is formed over here. So the distance of the image PF is v, 1 by v. But this is not the end. This is not the end, guys. This is not the end. The only end comes when you act the correct steps. This is not the correct step. This is the wrong step. The correct step what we should take is that we know f towards minus. This is minus. We take this in brackets because we're gonna cancel it anyway. And then according to this sign notation what I had given earlier, it's minus. All things towards this direction is always minus, nevertheless. So PF is also minus, PO is also minus. So minus and minus. Now I think, oh my god, our minuses are there. Now formula is not going to derivate anyway. We can see minuses are easily getting cut. If you take minus common out of this, it will be anyway plus. So it will basically look like minus is equals to minus common 1 by u plus 1 by v. Sorry, the u looks like v. My handwriting is very bad, so don't just comment on my handwriting. That's okay. You must understand the concept better than handwriting. Cancel this, and that's where you get the formula. U plus 1 by v plus 1 by v. This is the formula, guys. We have derivated the formula. This is the basic and the most important formula of you should understand. Yoo-hoo, guys, we have done it. The same basic formula, but that's opposite, It's not, it doesn't matter. Nevertheless, you understand that. See, this is equal to this. Woo! Yes, I've done it. So this is the derivation you might understand by this way. So if you want any other videos on any other topics you want to understand, please write on the comments. And please, if you want any kind of details or any kind of problems or different kind of things from me, Devanjan Chakrabarti, so you might use this email, not this one. This is bad. This is my friend's. This is my email. gmail.com. I know this video is long, but I would give this email in the in the box given below, the description box. You might get this email and send it any details to this email if you want any of my help or assistance. Please take help, because help is the only way of asking how to solve, and you will get marks for it. You're really gonna get marks for it, and I would expect that you would obviously give a like. I'm not good in drawing, but I guess this is the symbol, right? Well, I'm not good at drawing. Please give me a like. I love you guys. You are my students, and I love every of my students till now. Thank you, and remember this diagram. This diagram is very important.